Okay, so if you look at the question, they say propanone and butane have similar ID attraction, since both have similar MR. Just imagine I remove all this. Okay? Can you still do it? All right, imagine I do this. Your school will do this. Full stop. They'll say both are organic compounds commonly used in the lab. So they ask you explain why one is a liquid and the other one is a gas. Okay? Oh, that will make one like the more interesting, right? So why this is liquid and why this is a gas. Okay, everyone temperature. Whether something is liquid or gas have to do with what? Boiling point. Make sense? That's something that immediately you must get. Because the question never asks you about the state. But we all know it has to do with boiling point in terms of states. Okay? So how? So immediately you have to pick this up, and calculate the MR. Don't need calculate. You look at this. If you take a look at this, isn't it C1, 2, 3? No, it's not. That's the oxygen. Need to calculate. Both of them has the same MR. You can try it out on your own. So I will write here. I'll say both have they're not isomers. They have the same MR by coincidence, i.e. same number of electrons. So immediately I want to find a common ground, which is they have similar ID forces between the molecule. Take a look at butane, which is green, right? Butane is a hydrocarbon. Make sense? So very fast we know it is a non-polar molecules and has only IMF between it. Propanone is the interesting one, okay? Because if you do your dot and cross diagram, now CH, everyone know about H, right? H always at the corner, cannot be in the middle. So CH3, we all learn in organic chem is a group on its own, right? So look at it, right? You can do a dot and cross diagram, which is very easy. The structure look like this. Make sense? And you know that this is delta minus, this is delta plus. CH3 is non-polar group. You don't need to discuss. Overall dipole going up, i.e. it is a polar molecule. So propanone is a polar molecule. I start to differentiate, can you see? I investigate and I differentiate. So what? The ID is the same line. But because it's polar, it has the additional PD forces between the molecules. So on top of the same ID, right? Or similar ID, they still have the additional PD. So the overall IMF must be greater. Make sense? So here we go. Close it. So the overall intermolecular forces between the propanone molecules must be greater than that between butane molecules. I'm trying to find an angle to close the question, can you see? And therefore I'm going to close it, which is boiling point. Make sense? So carry on. Therefore, need more energy to overcome these stronger forces. And therefore, the boiling point of propanone is higher than the boiling point of butane. And therefore, haven't closed it, propanone must go back to the question, is a liquid while butane is a gas. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com you'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.